subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Nokia announced a new Nokia True Wireless Earphones, TWS, E3100, which are now available in China. E3100 earphones are also made by the Chinese company Richgo and represent an entry model. So, now Nokia has in its offer headphones E1200, TWS E3100 and E3500, and ANC earphones P3800 and 2A. These entry earphones are coming in various dual color schemes and are featuring push controls, unlike touch controls on other earphones. Nokia TWS E3100 has a 6mm driver, which is powered by a 45mAh battery, which is just a bit lower capacity of Nokia Power Earbuds like that Nokia Mobile is selling. The charging case is rather small, and it is coming with a 400mAh battery, which will provide up to 10 hours of playtime. E3100 earbuds can provide up to 2.5 hours of playtime on a single charge, which is not so impressive, but okay for the price of 299 Chinese yuan at mall, which is half the price of Nokia Power Buds. Here are the basic specs. Name: Nokia True Wireless Earphones, E3100. Mass: 4 grams. Driver: 6mm. Impedance: 32 ohm. Earbud battery: 45mAh. Case battery: 400mAh. Range: 10 meters. Profiles: HSP, HFP, UHP, A2DP. Connection: Bluetooth 5.0. We still don't know when will those be available outside of China, but since E3100 is coming in many colors, which remind many of Lumia days, those could be a popular choice in other markets. The only thing that worries me is the low play time, which suggests that these earbuds are for occasional commuting or for youngsters that are listening to hits while waiting for friends in the city center. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.